Okay, we're warming up for casserole dishes and making some blates or bowlates or dinner bowls, whatever you want to call them. Flat bowls, flat bowls. So, just like a flat bowl, we'll start with a flat mound here. Leave some room for trimming. So, trimming and compressing. This will be a review of bowls, but it's a more challenging bowl because it's low profile. So making the bottom of the bowl, thinking about that wide, shallow bowl and what this shape ideally would be in the bottom of your wide, shallow bowl. Finishing the bottom, digging under and really compressing in to create that mound here. So your fingers here are smaller than here. All of this is review. Now I'm going to pull out towards my pointer, controlling the clay, controlling the rim as I go. And then I will basically finish the rim. Okay, then I start with my fingers on the inside, kind of towards the middle of the bowl as I dig in from the outside. And then I slowly bring my hands out from the inside towards my finger, and when they meet, we begin to travel on the low profile. I move my pointer to the other side, so I'm not used to not used to looking over there. Okay, so now we have the basic dimensions of the bowl, and then I'm going to finish a shape by, again, starting in the middle of the bowl, pushing down, forming the inside shape of the bowl. Just feeling for evenness. And I haven't set my pointer yet, so I will do that after this, which is basically pretty close to there. Let me take a look at the profile. It looks really good. Okay, so now I just have to very gingerly finish this up. I'll start with the rim. I'm supporting the rim underneath with my finger. Very, very gently, almost no pressure here, just to get the slip off, just to get my curve kind of reinforced that it's regular. And there is a slight little shoulder in here. I'm gonna push it a little bit with my rib, but if I can't get it all out now, I can trim some of that out after. I try to get it as close to finished, just like everything, but there we go. Better. Okay, yeah, so I just want a real nice regular slope there. And finish the rim, and then it's done. And just like with all my bowls, I will not cut this off yet. I'm gonna let it get so the rim is leather hard before I cut it off, so I don't lose my roundness. Then wiggle this off. Oh boy, come on, baby. There we go, working right at the bat pin. And here's that profile, and that's gonna be a really good prep for casserole lids. These are 1.5 pounds, these low profile bowls. If that feels like not enough for you, try 1 3/4. So I'll just make a couple of these to get ready for my lids, and then I'll make the lids, and then I'll make the bases.